The next thing we'll want to do is adjust our website's footer and footer menu. If I go all the way down to the bottom of my website, I'll find my footer here. Within it, I have a menu and a couple different elements. To update this, let's go to the left-hand side and click on the back button. And once again, go down and click into footer. And to customize this, it's very similar to your header. You have the same controls here at the bottom where you can delete and reorder your elements. Like for example here, if I don't want this logo to appear, I can just remove it by clicking on the X. And then the same thing for this copyright notice. Then as for our footer menu, we can adjust this by clicking into the menu here, clicking on Configure Menu from here. Then I'm going to scroll down and find my footer menu. Right now it's just using my main menu, just like my primary menu within my header. And in most cases, you'll just set this to main menu. However, if you do want to create a new menu, you can go up to Secondary Menu here and click on Create New Menu. And if you'd like to, you can create a brand new menu here. But in my case, I think I'm just going to use the main menu for my footer as well. I'm happy with the changes I've made to my footer, so I'm going to go to the top and click on Publish.